Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create shake zoom transition in CapCut PC. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have created a project in my CapCut PC application. And first thing first, if we want to create shake zoom transition, we need to apply effect to our video. You can go to the effect menu and then you can go to the video effect, and then you have to search for the zoom effect. Okay, and then I recommend you to choose this one, mini zoom, and then you can add it to your video like this. You can add to the transition part. Okay, then you can customize the speed and the range. I'm going to increase the range, and then I'm going to reduce the speed. All right. Okay, and the second one, we need to add the shake effect to our video. Just search for the shake effect like this, and then add the shake effect to your video. This one, I'm just going to add it right here. Okay, then I'm going to cut it. Okay, and I'm going to increase the strength and the speed as well. Okay, you can adjust the position so the effect can create like transition for your video. Okay, like this guys, and I'm going to take a look at the preview first. Okay, I think it looks good, but I'm going to make it better. Okay, and this is the final result. Alright guys, and that's all the way to create shake zoom transition in CapCut PC. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.